Hi mga babe!
Welcome to our channel!
We recently traveled to Vietnam and ipapakita namin sa inyo lahat na nangyari sa aming trip. Sa episode na to, ipapakita namin sa inyo lahat ng kinain namin sa KK Sapa Hotel. Pero bago ang lahat, probiotics muna.
Dahil gutom na kami, dito na lang kami kumain sa Sinchai Restaurant. Ina-expect namin na mahal dito kasi sobrang ganda ng loob. Tingnan nyo naman. So, ito yung una naming in-order. Fresh shrimp spring rolls.
I bite it muna without sauce. Milk. Then, ito yung house special fried rice and beef stir-fry noodles. We also had grilled chicken with wild peppers. Ito muna. Let's try the stir-fried noodles. Parang pancit canton. Parang siyang yung sweet and spicy na kulay orange. Parang pancit canton nga. Parang masarap. Makapaw na dagdag na condiments. Parang masarap na siya. Ito ba yung grilled chicken? With hot peppers. Mainit. Mainit. Huwag mo i-expect yung grilled chicken natin na medyo manamis-namis na maalat na maalat. Hindi siya ganun. Kaya masarap siya. Next. Lakanin. Ang Chinese style fried rice, may chorizo. But it's good. Yeah, everything is good. Hindi hindi siya Filipino taste. It's different. Kaya mahirap i-describe kasi first time. Yeah. Overall, masarap lahat ng kinain namin dyan. Saka marami yung serving. Hindi pa namin naubos.
Ito naman yung price. Tama lang siya for a hotel restaurant. Later that night, nagutom kami.
Ako nagugutom. Kakain tayo ng tira. Mga tira kanina.
Cheers. First time. Hanoi beer. Vietnamese beer.
Ba?
Mabait siya pero
May pait nga. Andun yung pait. Pero
hindi masama.
may lasa eh.
Parang siya tea. Ang different kasi may lasa at sarap. Yung Coke. Meron pa.
Ano pa?
Regular Coke. May sa akin. Vietnamese Coke. Coke.
Sa likod yung sulat. 1 liter. 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 1 Bakit pa?
Sarap.
May Sprite pa doon.
Matamis siya, pero
Hindi siya matamis.
hindi masyadong matamis. Sarap. Parang mapaparami ka na ng inom.
Ito naman yung breakfast buffet na hindi pwedeng palagpasin dahil ang daming food choices.
Kahit hindi ka morning person, babangon ka talaga.
Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great.
So, breakfast na kami. Dito kami sa KK Hotel. Breakfast buffet. And kinuha ko cold cuts. Puro cold cut sausages. Tapos, nahiya naman ako. Kaya kami konting fruit. Tapos cheese. Less carbs tayo. Tapos, etong kay Mrs. Meron siyang fried rice, itlog na pula, bacon, duck breast, meron pa sa ilalim. Merong fried spring rolls, tapos fried bread, kimchi, Chinese style na chicken, along.
That's ratatouille.
Ba't magkakaiwalay?
Yeah, kalas-kalas na siya.
Oh, okay.
Deconstructed.
Deconstructed ratatouille. Okay. So, ayan sa kanya. A complete meal in a plate. Pero magra-round 2 pa yan. For sure. So, tara guys, kain tayo. So, yeah. Nakakaw ako. And this is the second pop for the day. This is beef pop. And let's try it. The fragrance is always there. Masarap.
Rate mo compared dun sa airport.
Mas fragrant to. Pero meaty din yung sabaw. Pero mas fragrant lang siya.
Parang mas yung sabaw niya, hindi clear.
Yeah, it's oilier.
Ayan. Saka ang daming herbs.
Yeah. So, that's everything we ate at KK Sapa Hotel. Sobrang sarap ng mga food at sulit na sulit yung binayaran namin. 10 out of 10.
And that's all for this vlog.
Kung may questions kayo, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below.
Thank you for watching, babe.
See you on the next vlog!